Come test drive the 2025 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, lumbar support. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.